What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog, and in today's video it's gonna be a big one. We are gonna be getting this thing ready to pretty much be almost driven. So we're gonna do everything it needs for the engine to be in here, which is gonna include installing the exhaust and probably mount the trans. We'll see how far we get, but definitely the engine is going to be in this car by the end of this video. Alrighty guys, these are all the pieces for the hot side. So basically what that means is the exhaust. So on a VQ, these would be your test pipes if it just kept going that way. And then so on this, for a top mount kit, it loops around so that it's one joint piece, and then this pipe goes up to the engine bay with this, and that's where your turbo connects. These are just stock headers. I'm going to be utilizing the stock headers for this. I'm going to be wrapping all these pieces, so this piece, and these pieces. We are getting the engine ready to get put inside the car. So here's the engine. I have it up already chained. So as you can see, I just need to put my headers on right here, and then it'll be just drop it in. Alrighty, so we got the headers on, wrapped. Alright guys, so now we got the engine in, not bolted down, but it's sitting, it has solid bushing, so it's just not move, it's really solid. Just need to put in the water lines, connect the AC and power steering lines in the front end. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and just start putting on the trans. The transmission is going to go on next, and then once that's in, I'll start finishing up here and start putting on the hot side piping, which comes up from down there and shoots to up right here. The whole transmission is in. I even started to put the hot side piping just because I was already under the car, and it's just that bottom piece. So the way this piece works is like test pipes. So you know where your test pipe connects to, like the 3-bolt flange? It's the same thing. It's like going to like a white pipe all the way down here. It kind of use, and then it goes to another piece right there, which if you guys saw my parts unboxing, you guys understand this piece. But there's a piece right there, and that piece goes to the top of the engine bay where the turbo connects to. And then this piece right here where you see this is a circle, that's like this part where it's like a test pipe. And in these two circles is where the wastegates go. So I'll show you guys how to install the wastegates and also how to plumb them. And there's also a huge spider web right here. I don't know if you can see that. So I got the shifter in and everything to go into gear now, and my interior is a mess, I am aware. So I am going to be doing a full cleanup of this when I get a chance. Basically we're going to be doing suspension, so I'm going to go ahead and start installing my coilovers, true style coilovers, and toe arms and camber arms. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and finished the suspension. See, I got the upper control arm, coil on this side, and that's it for here. Got the same done on the other side. The rear's on too, the coil. It's a true style, so it deletes your rear bucket. So I have a toe arm right here already installed, and cambers. So next would be adjusting ride height. I need to mount my tires and wheel, and then it should be good. I'll go ahead and drop it. So all four corners of the suspension is now done. Alright guys, quick update. So last time you guys saw I put the front suspension on, and also got this outside piping under right here. So I went ahead and put the pipe that goes up to the turbo. I haven't been filming too much, but yeah, went ahead and put the turbo on. It's really hard to film and do this because I had to clock the turbo and everything. If you don't know how to clock a turbo, basically what you're doing is just rotating the way it goes so that your feed is directly at 12 o'clock and your drain is 6 o'clock, because you don't want the feed to be off, because then it's not getting properly fed oil. So my clearances here is perfect. Got the exhaust already on, turbo mounted. I just need to find out where to rotate this side, because see, as you can see, I can rotate it depending on basically I need to find out where to rotate depending on my cold side, to see where this coupler comes up right here from the intercooler. But besides that, guys, I got the freaking turbo on and it looks crazy. Sheesh. So good, so good. I can't wait for this thing to just start making turbo noises, you know.